Hello, my name is Luke Bunge and I'm the Digital Regional Coach for the Southeast region. Today I'm going to show you the two different ways that our students can submit work in Seesaw. So one, I've gone ahead and as a teacher I've added an activity to my class, and this is a straight digital activity. So this social emotional, I'm going to go in as a student, I'm going to add my response, and as a teacher I can add this in for somebody else. So this is what a student would do. They would come in here, they would do our sort for this Friday, and they could talk about the social emotional lesson that we have done, and then when they're done with the digital activity they would just hit submit, and then that automatically ends up in their journal. If you have it set to approve, then it'll turn up for teachers to approve, which is always a good idea to approve student work before it gets submitted. And then the other way, besides doing digital, is I can actually have physical things from my class and communicated to my parents through the app. So I know that a lot of my students in my class have parents that are connected through the app. And it's a great way because the app automatically translates into 36 different languages. It's a great way of communication. So I can upload pictures from the class, different things that we're doing. If we're doing like a reader's theater, I can send pictures straight to my parents. I can do it for field trips. I can do it for different enrichment, or I can have the students do this themselves. So the way to add student work that's just not an activity, I just want them to post, is I can train my students to go post student work. And this would be an activity here that I would want my parents to be able to see, but I also want to hold this up in my class. I want to hang this for the next month or two. Be our food chain. So this is a Red Fox food chain made by my daughter here, and I would want to take a picture. So I'd train my students how to take a picture, and then their parents will be able to see this, but then I still get to display this in the hall or in my class, something like that, but my parents get to see this. So when Brian's parents log in, they will get to see this, and then we'll just say that that's part of science here. And in the app, Brian's parents will get this photo here. So I can do things that are just digital, or I can do things that I'm doing in person in my elementary class and send that home to my parents, all using Seesaw. Those are the two ways. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out to your digital coach. We are here to help.